In the last class, you have learned about the long division method of finding HCF. Now, the remaining part of HCF, brainstorming with HCF. Say, problems are said, find the greatest number which exactly divides 1056 and 2016. You have to find the HCF of the given two numbers. The same method, but problems are like this. One from the exercise. Find the greatest number which exactly divides 1008 and 2000. Long division method. 1008 divisible once in 2000. So 1008. Here it is 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 9. 992. We have to consider this 992 as divisor and 1008 as dividend. In 1008, 992 goes once. So 992, 8 minus 2, 6, 0 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 1, it is 9, 9 minus 9, 0, 16. 16 in 992. Just once check. 16 6 are 96. 3 16 2s are 32. 62 times 62 times 992. 0. Last divisor is 16, so 16 is the HCF. HCF of these two numbers. Here there are three numbers. You have to find the HCF of first two. You will get the last divisor in the same way. The last divisor and the third number you have to find the HCF of those two. First 3020 and 2835. Larger number write first. 2835 and 3020. So ultimately you will get a last divisor. Consider the last divisor as one number and another number will be third number 3125. So follow the same method. Next, least common multiple, LCM, least common multiple. LCM of 72 and 96. See, you have to find the least common multiple. See, 72 common multiples of 72. You have to multiply 72 once, twice, thrice in that way. Or 72 and 96. Start dividing by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 6 are 12, 36 times, and 96, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 1s, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 2 4s are. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24. 9 is not divisible by 2, but 12 is divisible, so we have to divide by 2. If the number is not divisible, write as it is. So 9 is not divisible by 2, so write the number 9 as it is. But the 12 is divisible, 2 6 are 12. Continue. 9 as it is, 2 3s are 6. 9 and 3, write it here. 3, 9 and 3 both are not divisible by 2, so I am trying by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s. Until we get 1, we have to factorize. So LCM of 72 and 96, 2 into 2, again 3 into 3. So you have to multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 9, into 3, 288. See? Yes. LCM of 72 and 96 is 288. See, here it is 48 and 60. Keep factorizing by 2. If numbers are not divisible by 2, go for 3. 2 24s are 48, 2 30s are 60, 2 12s are 24, 2 15s are 30, 2 6 are 12. 15 is not divisible by 2, so write as it is. 2 3s are 6, 2 15 as it is because it's not divisible. Both the numbers are not divisible by 2, so I'm trying by here factorizing by 3, 3 1s, 3 5s are 15. So 1 and 5 divisible by 5, 1, 1. So you have to multiply these factors. 2, 2, 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 240 is the LCM, least common multiple. Here there are 3 numbers. See, if there are 3 numbers, the same way you have to write one from the exercise. 36, 42 and 56. 36, 42, 56. See, unlike HCF, here we have to write all the 3 numbers together. In the HCF, we take first 2 numbers, next last divisor and the next number. But here it is not like that. 36, 42, 56. If one number is divisible by 2, you have to start dividing by 2. So here all the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 1s, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 2 8 so 16 to 9. 21 is not divisible by 2, so write as it is. 28 to 1 to 40 is 28. 9 21 14. 9 is not divisible, 21 also, but 14 is divisible, so we have to divide by 2. 9 21 7. 9 21 and 7 factorizing by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 7 as it is. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 7 as it is. Again by 3 because there is 3. 1 7 as it is. 7 1 1 1. I wrote the same. 7 ones, ones. So LCM of these three numbers, you have to write 2, 2, again 2, 3, 3, 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3. 7 into again 7. So answer is 5 and 4. It's the LCM of these three numbers. Least common multiple, not factors. HCF of it is highest common factor, but it is least common multiple. Brainstorming with LCM. Find the least number which exactly divisible by 24, 30, 36. Least number. So we have to find the LCM. But in this case, find the highest number which is exactly divisible. So it is highest or greatest number, that is HCF. Greatest or highest number, that is HCF. But here you can understand, find the least number which is exactly divisible by these three. So almost similar problems are there. Least number which is completely divisible, exactly divisible among these. Here we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. If there are three numbers, take all the three numbers together and follow the same factorization method. This is simple test. Options are given. You can find the proper answer, right answer.